Today, we're exploring the keys to radiant skin, tips for healthy skin from inside out. Achieving a glowing complexion involves more than skincare products. It's about nurturing your skin from within. We'll delve into the importance of hydration, nutrition, and lifestyle choices that impact skin health. Join me as we uncover practical strategies to support collagen production, enhance skin elasticity, and maintain a natural, youthful glow. Let's embark on a journey to discover how holistic approaches can help you achieve and maintain healthy, vibrant skin. Today, we will talk about tips for healthy skin from inside out. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. Achieving and maintaining healthy skin involves more than just topical treatments. It requires a holistic approach that addresses both internal and external factors. This comprehensive guide explores evidence-based strategies and practical tips for promoting healthy skin from the inside out, focusing on nutrition, hydration, lifestyle habits, and skincare practices that support skin health and vitality. 1. Understanding skin health. Skin is the body's largest organ and serves as a protective barrier against external elements, infections, and harmful substances. Healthy skin is characterized by hydration, adequate moisture levels to maintain elasticity and suppleness, balance, even tone, smooth texture, and minimal blemishes, resilience, ability to repair and regenerate effectively, protection, defense against UV radiation, pollutants, and pathogens. 2. Factors affecting skin health. Several internal and external factors influence skin health. Internal factors. Nutrition. Diet affects skin health by providing essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Hydration. Water intake is crucial for maintaining skin moisture and supporting cellular functions. Hormonal balance. Hormones impact oil production, collagen synthesis, and skin cell turnover. Overall health. Chronic conditions, medications, and genetics can affect skin appearance and function. External factors. UV exposure. Sun exposure contributes to premature aging, sunburns, and skin cancer. Pollution. Environmental pollutants can cause oxidative stress and inflammation. Skincare products. Use of skincare products, cosmetics, and treatments can impact skin barrier function and sensitivity. Lifestyle habits. Sleep, stress management, and exercise influence skin health and regeneration. 3. Nutrition for healthy skin. A balanced diet rich in specific nutrients supports skin health and appearance. Antioxidants. Found in fruits, egg, berries, citrus, vegetables, egg, spinach, kale, and nuts, egg, almonds, walnuts. Antioxidants protect against oxidative stress and free radicals. Omega-3 fatty acids. Found in fatty fish, egg, salmon, sardines, flax seeds, and walnuts. Omega-3 support skin hydration and reduce inflammation. Vitamins. Vitamin C, found in citrus fruits, bell peppers, supports collagen synthesis. Vitamin E, found in nuts, seeds, protects against UV damage. Vitamin A, found in sweet potatoes, carrots, promotes skin cell turnover. Minerals. Zinc, found in seeds, whole grains, supports wound healing and regulates oil production. Selenium, found in Brazil nuts, seafood, protects against UV damage. 4. Hydration for skin health. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining skin moisture and overall health. Water intake. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water daily to support skin hydration and cellular functions. Hydrating foods. Consume hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and celery to supplement water intake. Limit dehydrating beverages. Reduce consumption of caffeinated beverages and alcohol, which can dehydrate the skin. 5. Lifestyle habits for healthy skin. Adopting healthy lifestyle habits promotes overall well-being and supports skin health. Sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow for skin repair and regeneration. Stress management. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as mindfulness, yoga, or deep breathing to minimize stress-related skin issues. Exercise. Regular physical activity improves circulation, which promotes nutrient delivery to the skin and supports collagen production. Smoking cessation. Quit smoking to reduce oxidative stress, premature aging, and risk of skin cancer. 6. Skincare practices for healthy skin. Effective skincare routines help maintain skin barrier function and address specific concerns. Sun protection. Use broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher daily, even on cloudy days, to protect against UV damage and premature aging. Treatment serums. Use targeted serums, egg vitamin C, retinoids to address specific skin concerns such as pigmentation, fine lines, or acne. Hydration masks. Use hydrating masks occasionally to replenish moisture and nourish the skin, especially during dry or cold weather. 7. Natural remedies and supplements. Explore natural remedies and supplements that support skin health. Aloe vera soothes and hydrates the skin, providing relief from sunburns and irritation. Green tea extract contains antioxidants that protect against UV damage and reduce inflammation. Collagen supplements support skin elasticity and hydration, promoting a youthful appearance. Probiotics balance gut microbiota, which may influence skin conditions such as acne and eczema. 8. Common skin concerns and solutions. Address common skin concerns with targeted skincare and lifestyle adjustments. Acne. Use gentle cleansers, avoid pore-clogging products, and consider topical treatments. Egg, benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid. Dry skin. Moisturize regularly, use hydrating skincare products, and avoid hot showers that can strip natural oils. Sensitive skin. Choose fragrance-free and hypoallergenic products, patch test new products, and avoid harsh ingredients, egg, alcohol, sulfates. Aging skin. Incorporate anti-aging ingredients, egg, retinoids, peptides, protect against UV damage, and prioritize hydration and collagen support. Achieving healthy skin requires a comprehensive approach that includes nutritious diet choices, adequate hydration, lifestyle habits that promote overall well-being, and a tailored skincare routine. By incorporating superfoods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and essential nutrients into your diet, practicing hydration and healthy lifestyle habits, and adopting effective skincare practices, you can enhance skin health from the inside out. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.